Today there is a hurricane. I'm scared.
Mom, what's a hurricane? Why
It's
is
something.
it so dusty
It's
here?
bad. Lock all doors right now.
It's windy.
Oof, it's pulling me. It's blowing me. It's
Oh
here
my
outside.
God, I think what it means now. Mommy, come with me. Follow me.
Okay, Dot, I am scared. Honey, I will always protect you. You know, I love you.
I know.
It's pulling me. The wind.
Mommy.
Phew.
Phew.
Okay, now what?
I can't believe that just happened.
I know, right? I need a break from that.
Okay.
No, now, rain?
It's still raining though.
Well,
We
let's
have
just
to
chill.
stay down here. BC, the stairs are outside. Okay.
Oh, looks like Welpy's sleeping on the couch tonight. Later. OMG.
Mommy, what?
It's back. Yup, we're moving. Come on. New house, no bad weather.
Wow, Mom.